Hey babes, it's David here from BUXOM, and I'm so excited to show you this new summer tutorial, which is all inspired by bronzy coppery eyes and a punch of color on the lips. So, here we go. First, apply shade Cashmere Creaming with a fluffy brush all over the lid. Then, apply shade Filthy Rich in the crease, starting from the outside, and then blending it towards your inner corner. Now we're going to apply shade Glitz Factor all over the lid. To play up with the gold tones, apply Gold Status just to the center of the lid. Next, we're going to pop Diamond Darling in the inner corner of the eye. Lastly, we're going to apply shade It Crowd to the crease to emphasize the smoky color. Now we're going to apply eyeliner. Using the Sexy Smoky Kajal Powder Liner in shade Smoldering Brown, I'm going to line the upper lash line. To finish the eye look, let's add coats and coats of BUXOM Lash Mascara to both top and bottom lashes. And now we're going to head into lips. I'm going to start by lining the lips using the Plump Line Lip Liner in shade Infrared, starting from the outer corner, moving it towards the center of the lips. To finish this look off, apply Bava Plump Shiny Liquid Lipstick in shade Kiss and Tell for a punchy pout. Alright babes, now you have a gorgeous summer-inspired look that'll heat up any beach. Leave your comments below and let us know what you think of this look.